Hey, Austin, tell our Earth friends what we're going to draw today.
A black cat.
A black cat and a what?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. We hope you're going to follow along with us and you have something to draw with. We're going to use a black marker, some paper, and
Something to color with.
something to color with. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first draw our pumpkin's face. We're going to draw a line right here towards the bottom of our paper, but in the middle. Then we can draw it happy, so we're going to draw a U shape underneath. Now, I really like this lesson because it's fun for everyone, but we're making it super simple, especially for our young art friends like you. How old are you?
7.
7, yeah. All right, now let's draw our pumpkin's tongue. We'll draw another curve inside, and we can color the top part. Now let's draw our pumpkin's eyes. We're going to draw 2 circles, one on the right and one on the left. Whoa, the one on the left is a little bit bigger. Good. Then let's draw smaller circles in the top right. And this is for the highlights, so our pumpkin eyes look shiny. Then we can color in the big circle, but leave the little ones white. Now we're going to draw the outside shape of our pumpkin. We can start up here, and we're going to draw a big oval that goes around the face like this, and then back up and connect at the top.
It looks
big
like a roll.
A roll?
Yeah.
It kind of does look like a roll. So draw a big oval. There you go. Oh, I like the shape of your pumpkin. It's awesome. Then let's draw the stem. We're going to draw 2 lines sticking out of the top for the stem of our pumpkin. And then connect them at the top. And then we could draw a leaf on the left. We're going to draw a line. And then we can draw 2 curved lines, one on top and one on the bottom. There, that's a simple way to draw a pumpkin, right?
Yeah.
All right, what are we missing?
The cat.
The cat, the big black cat is going to be sitting on top. So we're going to draw the nose first. Let's draw a V shape. Well, like how far up you drew it. And then we're going to connect the top. Looks like an upside down triangle. That's for our cat's nose. Then let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw 2 rainbow lines. Watch this. Big upside down U's. One on each side. Like this. We're going to draw the eyes different than how we usually draw them. That's going to be fun because it's different. Then let's connect the bottom. So we're going to draw a curve on the bottom, and they look like 2 gumdrops.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we could draw the eyes inside, and I'm going to draw little ovals in the middle of his face. It kind of looks like he's cross-eyed.
Yeah.
Oh, I like how you drew your eyes. You drew them both on the right side. He looks like he's going to be looking to the right. Now we could draw another small circle inside for the highlight, and then let's color in the bottom part and leave the top white. Now let's draw our cat's head. We're going to draw the same kind of oval shape that we drew for the pumpkin. Whoa, look at that. You just draw a big oval that goes around it if you want. I drew it kind of flat on the bottom, but you could just, oh my goodness, I like it. That's a big cat head. Now let's draw the ears. We're going to draw a big curve that comes out and then back down. Yeah, and then let's do the same thing on the other side. Big curve out and then back down. Okay, now let's draw the inside of our cat ears. Let's draw that same shape that we just drew, except smaller inside. Yeah. Now let's connect our cat to the pumpkin. We're going to draw his body. We're going to draw 2 lines, one on each side, straight down. Okay, now we also need to draw whiskers. Let's draw 3 whiskers on each cheek. What's our cat missing?
His tail.
His tail. Let's draw an S line like that. It curves one direction and then back the other direction. And then let's do another one right next to it. And then connect it at the top with a little curve. We did it, Austin. We finished our pumpkin and our black cat. Well, it doesn't quite look like a black cat. What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color it. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Also, you did a great job on coloring your black cat and your pumpkin. It turned out perfect. You get it? Perfect.
Oh yeah. Fur. Fur.
Do you know why this lesson is one of my favorites?
Why?
Because it reminds me of the lesson we did a long time ago with the pumpkin and the ghost.
Oh yeah.
You remember that one? Now, it's okay that our two drawings look different. Both of them look awesome. And that's because the most important thing is,
To have food.
yes, to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. We hope you guys had a lot of fun following along with us. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.